Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up a Google account on Black Shark Pad SE. First of all, let's open settings, scroll down until we find passwords, passkeys and accounts. Here you'll be able to see add account option, and after you tap right here, you're gonna have to select Google and then enter your Google account's info. So first of all, enter your PIN code or passkey. On the following page, you have to enter either the email or phone number of your other Google account. Then press next, and then enter the password to this account on the following page. After the password is entered, just press enter to confirm, agree to terms and service, then go through some initial setup steps. Okay, so it seems that we didn't have to do this, but right now we have our Google account added. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.